everybody. Sorry about the noise. I got some stuff going here. I did want to show you guys this. I got it all posted. Now, this will be a little weird. I'm still waiting for some of the pieces to come in. I still got to put it all together. This will sit on the bottom of this. I don't have any of these secure or anything. These will all be electromagnets. Each one will be different. Now, as you notice, this one is circular, not compared to the last one. So what this happens with this is and this is where I need to finish this to actually do the demonstration. There's a special material called, I can't even think of it. It's in my paper. It's pyroelastic graphite, and it actually acts like a superconducting material that will kind of lock in place and move with magnetic fields. So by controlling the magnetic fields, and I still got another one printing for the top, you can keep it in the center. And if you add a reflective surface, you can point a laser through the bottom of this and through the top. What you'll get is a flat disc. And as you increase the voltage on any of the magnets, it will move and start reflecting the laser light around this. And as you see, I got one sensor in here. What happens is, as an angle comes out, it'll reflect. And if it hits that sensor will get triggered. And you can control the spin by changing the currents of each of the electromagnets that's in here on the top and the bottom. So you'll get it locked in the middle, and you'll have a laser shooting out from the top and from the bottom. And when it reflects, it'll reflect to a sensor. Now this is a different way of using this. Instead of all at once, you can actually use it to process information. So you're only triggering one sensor at a time, but you can control it all through electromagnets. I am going to finish getting this one done, and then I'll get it posted. I got another piece printing for this. I did get these published on Zenodo, so those are there. And then I was showing everybody this before. As you can see, it's just magnets arranged in a specific way for north, south, north, south, north, south. But when we get it in here, we get these specialized where we have controlled each of the field lines. So now this is what I mean by we can control this. And we can make specific patterns, specific shapes. And when we use this other material, what we can do is we can make the material move in midair. And by doing so, we can reflect the light to exactly where we want in real time. And this is kind of the stuff we're going to be getting into. I'm waiting for some more stuff. Everything's been kind of slow for Christmas. And then we'll get this all put together. And then I'm going to get that finished. I got a few other things I'm working on, and then we'll get back to the transistor and everything, or the transformer on that. And we'll continue on. And then I have some other things I want to kind of get released in the meantime too. So we'll be getting into all this.